So it just stopped raining outside, which is the perfect time to blow bubbles. After it rains, there's a ton of moisture in the air, which makes it really humid and lets your bubbles stay in the air longer without them popping. So today we're gonna experiment with some different bubble solutions. Now for some of these, I use Dawn dish soap, which according to online says that it's the best soap to make bubbles. We'll find out. Some of them I used baby shampoo. Some of them have corn syrup to make the bubble sticky and the sugar will make it last longer. And then some of them have glycerin, which is made from oils that help keep the bubble from popping. So in my first one, it has the sugar and it has Dawn soap. I tried to put food coloring in there to make it purple, but I don't know if it's really very purpley. A little bit. My next one has the baby soap, that's this one, and the corn syrup, right here. And my last one, I made the biggest amount of it, the largest batch. This one has glycerin and Dawn dish soap and a little bit of sugar. Okay, now, Mr. Woodhelm and I made a bunch of different bubble blowers. We didn't actually have any of our own, so we made some out of pipe cleaners and some straws. We had a funnel that we can dip in and use. I cut a soda bottle so that I could use this. And we also have a cup that we just poked a hole in the bottom so we can use that one. So I think the cup will be best for our testing. Let's try this big one. Okay. And dip this in. Get it nice and wet. Whoa! Did you see that? That one actually worked! Okay, we're gonna try this again. Bubble queen. Okay. All right. Wow, that was a big bubble. Oh, there's another one in. Look at it. Look at how big it is. All right, it appears, VCU, that the best method actually was just tying string onto 2 wooden spoons. I think because the string could soak up all of the soap. When I tried it with any of my other bubble makers, with like the lids or my tinsel, what was that called? I can't think of the name right now. The Chanel stems. When I tried it with those, it didn't work as well. And I think because they couldn't absorb any of the bubble mixture, so it just kept falling right off. But if you have some string and some wooden spoons and something to put at the bottom so it will pull it down, you can make your own bubbles. And the best soap definitely was the kind that used the dish soap and a little sugar and some glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, don't worry, you can just use regular soap too. It will work just fine. All right guys, have fun making bubbles.